ulam ko? Anong ulam? Anong ulam ko? Yehey! Hala, umulan. Oh my God! Help! Yehey! Pasko na here! In Asia, there's a lot of malunggay. I grew up eating malunggay. These vegetables is what I've been eating too. Same as okra, olobate, kalabasa, sikwa. This is my beauty secret, guys. So that's why you have to eat malunggay so that you become pretty like me. Grabing energy ko. We always eat vegetables every day. No miss, like, subscribe, and please don't skip my ads. Don't skip ads, please. Like, subscribe my channel. I'm so happy. This is my energy because I'm eating malunggay. I love you all so much. I love you all so much. Moringa, yo, malunggay. It's my beauty secret. This is your Witty Bonita. Yo, yo, yo. Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is your Witty Bonita, the funny girl. Are you wondering I'm wearing green today? Green. Tumalon pa kami. I'm wearing green because I'm going to show you my beauty secret. Hey, it's been raining for a few days and this is the best vlog because it is. Oh, can you still see me? It's the beauty secret Moringa malunggay. Yay! Can you see me? It's falling off in the floor. Look. Yay! Hala, umulan. Oh my God. Help! Yay! Pasko na here! Sinong gustong gulay dyan? It's vegetables, moringa, in English, moringa, or what's the other term? It's ano nga yun? Malunggay in Tagalog! Woo! Grabe guys, naglipad-lipad ang malunggay. This is my beauty secret! Yay! Nasa sahig guys. I have this last night. It was raining last night and then anybody who want to order this, my amiga, my best friend Ling, we will have a business this. Woo! Moringa is my beauty secret. It's the malunggay. This has, oh my God, nag-stick na sa mukha ko. This has a lot of nutrients. It's like high in protein, Vitamin C. Aray, bilang. Natapos. Sorry. Vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin everything. And moringa is originated in India. I just know about it. I thought this is made. This is a Philippine vegetables, but it's originated in India. I just read about it. And in Southeast Asia, in Asia, there's a lot of malunggay. I grew up eating malunggay. This vegetable is what I've been eating too. Same as okra, olobate, kalabasa, sikwa. These vegetables didn't last many weeks. It's only, this is last night. So now it's in the floor. Look. It will not last very long, many days. No. It's raining, that's why it's noisy. It will not last long because it will fall off the stem. Stem ba tawag doon? Nahuhulog siya. O, tingnan mo. Woo! Yay! This is very healthy. Nowadays, we saw a lot of like capsule, tea, and everything. Like, there's a lot of like in the store now that they're selling this in a capsule or in a powder or in a anything. I even taste the bread malunggay. Have you tasted that? The tawag dun? Pandesal malunggay. It's very delicious. This is my beauty secret, guys. So that's why you have to eat malunggay so that you become pretty like me. Grabing energy ko. It's raining and this is good for soup. Huwag niyong gisahin ang malunggay, guys. May story ako. Ang malunggay ginisa, lumilipad siya. Woo! This is so much. I'm alone here. So anybody, would you like to order? May niyami galing uling. Ganunin na lang ko kasi nalaglag na siya sa sahig. When you stuck over this all night, it will fall off in the steam. This is the way it is. The vegetables is easy to fall off from the steam. When you buy in the store, it's already in the plastic and it's all in the like this na lang natira sa ano ba? This is very healthy. It has also like some kind of antibacterial and it's good for your heart also. It's also good for diabetes and for the beauty, it's the best. I swear, I grew up this eating. We have this in the farm. And then our ulam there in the province when I grow up in the farm, we always eat vegetables every day. No meat. Very rare meat. Maybe twice a year. Vegetables, fish, dumulog laway. Vegetables in the, sapa, in the river, like, vegetables yung fish, mga suso. Sinong mga Bisaya dyan? Sanay, Junix boy, mga unta ninyukutan. Baka mag-viral tong ko. Ano ba tong vlog na to? I forgot what to say. Nakalimutan ko yung binasa ko kanina. Basta it's it's in the top healthy vegetables. Yes, it's very healthy, guys. You can read it in the internet. I'm not a health expert, but you can see my beauty. I don't have any maintain in my face. I grew up eating this, so my skin is very beautiful, right? Look at me. Oh, ang init-init na. Tumaba na ako kakakain ng gulay. Please like, subscribe, and please don't skip my ads. I just get monetized. What? In second. Before 3rd week of September, I got monetized. Don't skip ads, please. Like, subscribe my channel. I'm so happy. This is my energy because I'm eating malunggay. I love you all so much. Yeah. Malunggay. Sino gusto kumain dyan? Maulan-ulan ngayon. Masarap sabaw. Soup. It's very good in soup. Vegetable soup, and also you can put this in the fish, right? You can like create your dish, but basta ano siya, lahat siya sabaw-sabaw. Baka pareha kayo nung isang istorya na ano. May joke ako. I have one joke. Wala ka? 8 minutes na. Sabi nung mag-shoota, nakita nung lalaki yung ano niya, girlfriend. Sabi nung guy, joke time. Sabi nung guy, alam ko yung ulam mo. Ngayon, sabi nung babae, nung girlfriend niya, ano? Sabi nung boyfriend niya, patatawa ba kayo? Malunggay! Sabi nung girlfriend niya, hala, mali ka. Bakit? Kagabi lang yun. So, anong ibig sabihin ng joke na yun? Dumikit kasi yung ganito niya sa itin niya, tapos hindi pala siya nag-toothbrush mula gabi hanggang kinabukasan, kaya andun pa yung malunggay. Joke! Ako lang natawa sa joke ko. Bye! I love you all so much. Welcome back to my channel. This is your Ricky Bonita. Welcome back to my channel. This is your Ricky Bonita. This is my beauty secret. It's the malunggay. What's the English of this? It's moringa, the vegetable for my beauty. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ricky Bonita. Yeah. This is my vegetables. I can eat them all. This is my vegetables. Malunggay. My beauty secret. It's the moringa. You know what is moringa? It's malunggay. It's the vegetable. Ako ang naligan balik. Matulog. Dapat ko siya. Tag-iya sa kamunggay oh. Kamunggayan eh. Hasindera na kamunggay. I just want to show you my brunch. It's the moringa. Yay! I'm going to cook this as soup. Just like boiling egg. It's a tinola lang na moringa malunggay. This is the onion, spring onions, tomatoes, and a chili, and a malunggay. This is the one of my beauty secrets. Let's get it ready. Let's cook. Pangit na itsura ko. Butali sa buhok. It's already cooked. The moringa soup. It's only water, salt, and yon, mga ingredients na malunggay and also the lamas. So, let's have some taste. This is my brunch. Ang pangit ng buhok ko pag tinali. Bagay ba sa akin? Ito ang beauty secret ko. This is my brunch. Look, it's moringa and the lamas. That's all. Right? It's hot. I'm alone here, so I will eat in the pot. Anong ulam ko? Dumikit sa ngipin. Anong ulam ko? Anong ulam? Anong ulam ko? Ganda na yun ang tip ko, di ba? Okay lang dumi-dumihan. Ang sarap ng malunggay. Moringa, yes. Tomato. Init na paso ko. You see my body? So sexy, right? Eating moringa, okra, and everything. Kita bang likod ko? Pangit. Ala, hindi napuha. Hindi, natukan ko. Ano nakita nyo sa katawan ko? Corby? Bye. Bye. Talak. Bye.